today you joined me in my bathroom, as you can see, because I don't have a setup where I can do my makeup in my room. Haha, foreshadowing. Now you know what I'm doing. I'm gonna do my makeup. I can just feel everybody clicking off right now because most of the people that know me do gaming and are not really interested in makeup, but it's special. Trust me, please don't leave. I'm going to try to do a grunge slash punk slash gothic kind of makeup look because I would consider myself alternative. I listen to punk music a lot. I listen to a lot of death metal. I fucking love that shit. I love mindless self-indulgence. I love Attila, of course, Marilyn Manson, Rammstein, Hello Sleepwalker, stuff like that. I listen to it a lot, even though people do not expect it from me most of the time because I look like this. Because I don't look like it. People always think that I listen to Justin Bieber, which is the most wrong somebody could be. I fucking adore the makeup. I would consider myself as a grunge type of style taste. Like, I love the clothing they wear. I try to implement it, but I do not really have money to buy clothing. So I'm pretty much stuck with my old clothing from when I did not dare to go into like the alternative. I want to like have my little eyebrows cut and like, you know, like not cut but like trimmed off so I can do like the cute eyebrow thing they do. And it is quarantine, so I have been thinking about it a lot. I am just too lazy to put them on every day, and I stream every single day right now, so I don't want to have to put them on every single fucking day because I'm too lazy to do that. And then I'm gonna end up without any eyebrows on stream, or at least like the little like that. But I like that as well. I think it's cute on other people. I don't think it would look good on me though. Let me explain what I'm trying to do today. I've been on TikTok a lot. There is a pretty big amount of alternative people on there that do the whole makeup, have the cool hair, which I'm so jealous about, have the nice outfits and all that stuff. And I'm jealous. I want to see that on my face. I want to know if that works on my face. I've googled a couple of examples. I'll put them on the screen right now. That's kind of the vibe I'm going for. I have never tried to do makeup like this. Okay, without further ado, let me start this catastrophe. Okay, first off, let me put my hair in a little thing. Ugh. I used to think this looks cute on me. It doesn't. It is handy though. Next up, let me prime my face. The Smart Urban Shield Face Base from Kiko. I'm just gonna plop this on my face. This one, which is the closest to my skin tone that I can get, which is a L'Oreal True Match in color 0.5N Porcelain. I'm gonna grab a little bit on the sponge. Apply that on my face a little bit. I just put on the light. I feel like you can see my face a little bit better now. I do always have issues with blending this foundation. Now we got that all blended. Come to the next step, which would be contour. So I'm just gonna contour a little bit above. Oh my god, that's a lot. Oops. A little bit above the collarbone. Okay, I have contoured my face. Next up, I don't want to do blush yet, just because I might have to clean some stuff under my eyes now because I will be using black. The palette that I will be using is the Morphe X James Charles one. I personally do not watch anything of James Charles anymore. I just do not like him as a content creator anymore. Nothing personal, maybe a little bit. I still do use this, mainly because first of all, it was a Christmas present of my parents, and second of all, I do not have money to buy a better palette. Okay, so what I see a lot of people do is have red and black in their makeup, which I think that's what I'm gonna do. The red shades that are in this are either very red or very dark. I feel like this one might do, but I don't know how that will compare with the black. So basically what I'm gonna be using is the black one. As I said, I don't have the names anymore, so the black one and just that all, I guess. Okay, so I guess I'll be starting with packing the black on. Just pack this shit on my eyelid. I guess I'll do my whole eyelid black. I guess. I'm a bit scared. Also, I use this brush. It's like a little bit more compact than my blending brush. It does a better job of like packing on the color, and then I'll just blend it out with these. Good, and I'm just gonna lightly blend that out, I guess. I'm gonna actually grab this one on the blending brush, and I'm gonna be blending out the black with the red. Oh, that works. Also, I do want it to be very clear that I am not trying to make fun of anyone here. Also, I'm grabbing this little color right here to blend it out even more, because I do not want my whole eyelid to be all dark, because I'm aware that that's not what it's about. Like, I just see so many people with such cute makeup and they look so adorable with it, and I just want to hop on that train. I don't know if I'm qualified to, and I honestly don't care, because I feel like, you know, if I like the music, if I like the overall look of it, I feel like I'm allowed to dive in or try it, even though I might make a complete fool of myself, which I might be doing right now. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna grab some of the vibrant red. I feel like it kind of looks cute from afar. I feel like the black looks gray. Yeah, no, the black is really not black enough, and I feel like I'm saying something that a lot of people can relate to, that like want very black shit on their eyelids. I will be doing my eyeliner and stuff because I fucking love the way they do their little eyeliner. Let me just try to clean this up with some concealer to see if that will work. So I'm just gonna put that up like a concealer, like a flat brush or whatever the fuck. I don't even know if this is actually for concealer, but I use it for that. Just put the little shape you want and you just dab it on, because I've learned with dark colors you really do not want to like wipe it on, just because it can mix with the concealer. Sometimes you have to do multiple layers. I'm just gonna tap it. Oh, hey, I feel like that's doing something. That's that. I mean, it's doing something. I feel like that's cute. Right, what I'm gonna do now is grab a little brush and put the red under my eye as well. Putting a little bit of the glittery red right there. I just basically like grabbed a lot of influence pictures and just picked what I liked. And now I'm just gonna mix them all together, so. Excuse me if this is not like really the way you're supposed to do this. Also, I'm not really sure how far the gatekeeping goes. Style-wise, I fucking love alternative stuff, and I want to dive into it, especially during this whole quarantine. Fuck it, no, I'm just doing it. Can you see that? I just, oh god. This is what I meant with don't touch your shit with residue of eyeshadow or other colors. Okay, hold on. I'm just gonna go with that. This is what it's gonna be like. Okay, I got so far. I'm gonna just copy what I did here on this eye. I just did something. I don't feel like it looks bad. I really don't. What does look bad is my arm right now, so let's just ignore that. Okay, now let's do the rest of my face. I feel like I should reapply contour, which is technically a bronzer, but you use it for the same thing, right? I really don't feel like it looks bad. Next up, the blush. I like blush a lot because it makes me look more alive. I've had a couple of times where people are like, who scared you, right? Like, they honestly thought somebody just had scared me and I lost the redness or basically all color in my skin because of that. And I know that that's because I'm very pale, but it makes me like blush a lot to just put a little bit of color in my face, or a little bit a lot. Eyelashes would fix a lot of this, but I don't have any, so. Is a winged eyeliner too much? But I'm gonna look at the pictures for a second. Hold on, let me see if they wear fucking winged eyeliner. Hold on. Okay, so a lot of them don't. People who do have their eyeliner like kind of straight rather than up, and I feel like I want to try that, so that is what we're gonna do. Yes. Also, I have been doing the little eyeliner here. I have been doing that. So I'm gonna be doing that right now as well. I did it. It looks kind of weird on camera. It looks cute in real life though. I just got it in my eyeball. Okay, now for the challenge. In this, I'm gonna put my eyeliner, but it's like kind of weird because I put the concealer line, oh my god, up. I guess they kind of do it like that. Do you connect it? Did I just do it? I feel like I did it too upward still. Oh well, now it just looks weird, but we'll go with it. We'll go with it. Whatever. We'll just go with that. I guess that's what that will look like. I feel like this one is pointing down. Oh. Oh no. She fucked it up again. Let me first do like my eyebrows and stuff. I don't know how to do my eyebrows because I don't know. I cannot do it like black because I have pretty full eyebrows of myself. Like I cannot do all the fun stuff. A little bit heavier than normal. I know like a lot of people have like the very cutesy tailless shit, like tail up higher. I just cannot do that and I'm quite sad about it. Okay, onto the highlighter. Put some highlighter. My eyeliner is really not symmetrical at all. Okay, next up I'm gonna try to do like the cute eyeliner thingies. I first want to put eyeliner in my waterline. I use different eyeliner for that. I use like a little pot. This is from Maybelline. This is the Eyeshadow Lasting Drama Gel Liner 24 hours. And this shit does stay. I put this in my waterline. It sticks in your waterline a lot better than any other eye pencil or eyeliner. Let me just put up a picture. They use like this type of stuff. I don't know exactly how to do this type of stuff. Okay, what I see a lot, little things just down the middle of your eye. So I'm just gonna try to do that. I don't want it to be too thick. Cute. Okay. What else? Oh, I see like them do like the eyeliner, like the nose thing on their eyeliner. I want to like put little dots as well. Hold on. A lot of them have little dots, but I'm not really sure how to do it. Dot. I have some shitty ass dots right now. I want to do a little cross. It looks cool if I do like one like that and one like a cross. Oh, that one is sloppy as fuck. That's a sloppy ass cross right there. I'm gonna do like the little dots as well on the other side. Just cause I think it's cute. How did I make them round? That's kind of round. I feel like the dots look very cute. Cute. Yeah. The fucking cross is very fucked up though. Hold on, let me try to see where they put like the nose thing. Because I want the little nose thing. Because I feel like that's like the cutest. Looking through some right now. Oh my god, she has the things on her eyebrows as well. I'm gonna do that. She has the dots on her eyebrows. That fucking, I want that. I low-key fucked them up. Maybe if I do them on the other side as well. It would look cute if I didn't fuck them up like I did. Whoops. Actually go through TikTok right now. Hold on, give me a second. Okay, I found somebody that does have the little nose thingy, but she only has it in one video, and that's not necessarily the way I want it because she has two little lines instead of one little line, and I want one little line. But I'm just gonna do it the height that she has it and hope that it looks cute. There? Okay. Oh, that's a lot thicker than I meant it to be. Ooh, I like it. It looks cute. Even though I messed it up. Maybe I should make two. I do like it, but I definitely fucked up the nose. I think I fucked it up even more. Hold on. I think I did just make it something. I like it. I do. I actually think it looks cute. Oh. It's getting a little bit big now. Hold on. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything more on my nose now. It says that my butter is almost empty, so I might have to change it. Now I'm gonna grab my Jeffree Star Mini Nudes. Fucking love this shit. I want this one. I want to use Posh Fries. Just put that on my lips. Literally the only thing that I can do smoothly in this video. Jesus Christ. Oh. Oh my god, I actually do fucking love it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. I am pretty fucking happy with the way this makeup came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment if you do wear this style like daily or like kind of like daily, and please give me some tips on how to especially get the eyeliner a lot smoother, because it don't look smooth to me. But okay. I don't know, like think about subscribing or something. Bye.